My channel. So these are the 10 uncommonly used Filipino words you probably haven't heard of. So number 1 on our list is alimpungatan. So what is alimpungatan? Alimpungatan is ever woken up suddenly in the middle of the night, not fully aware of what's going on. That's hazy, half asleep state is exactly that's what alimpungatan means. Alimpungatan parang half asleep. Let's use it in a sentence. Okay. Naalimpungatan siya nang marinig niya ang malakas na kalabog sa bubong. Okay, yan ang example. That's our example of alimpungatan. Okay, next on our list is gunam-gunam. So, ano nga ba ang gunam-gunam? This refers to deep thoughts, daydreams, or musing. It's a poetic way of saying your mind is lost in reflection. So let's use it in a sentence. So, napabuntong hininga siya habang naggunam-gunam tungkol sa kanyang nakaraan. So, okay, number 3 on our list is duyog. So, what is duyog? The Filipino word for eclipse. So, ang duyog daw is Filipino word for eclipse. Rare in nature, rare in conversation, but beautiful in nonetheless. Okay, let's use it in a sentence. Sasama ako't duduyog sa iyo papunta sa palengke bukas. Okay, yun lang po ay ang tatlo sa ating 10 uncommonly used Filipino words. And thank you.